Good day, guys. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I wanted to make this video to basically do some housekeeping items about our Gawley Gala, which is coming up very quickly. It's on Friday, November 14th at the Princess Resort, and you'll be getting an email. Basically, I think it's entitled the top 10 things to know about the event, and essentially it talks about, again, the location, the time. Everyone wants to know about what to wear, so look forward to that email. But I wanted to create this video to go over something I think is pretty exciting, and it deals with the charitable giving that we're doing. We are going to be giving a percentage of the proceeds from that evening to a local breast cancer charity called Don't Be a Chump, Check for a Lump. In the past, we've given our time and our money to the Susan G. Komen Race for the Cure, and I've really started to become more intentful about giving to some of the local charities. I'm really happy about this one. So at the event, we're going to be having a silent auction and some raffles, and the proceeds of which will go to this local charity. As a little bit of a teaser, we'll be giving away such things as a week at a villa in Cabo San Lucas. There'll be some jewelry, there'll be some golf, there'll be some wine, and of course aesthetic procedures. So look forward to some of those as they come, either attached with this video in an email or in an upcoming video. In an effort to entice people to give, we're also going to be offering the ability to prepay for services within our practices. So I've thought a lot about how to make this easy and also entice people to spend a little bit so I can give. I'm going to give away 10% of anything that's purchased at the event. And what I've thought about doing, and we're sending this out right towards the event, is I'm going to go ahead and match dollar for dollar anything that is spent at the event. But I wanted to put some stipulations on this, so I think this is pretty exciting. So the stipulations are essentially there's going to be a maximum and a minimum. So the minimum is $1,000. So if you spend $1,000, you'll then have a $2,000 credit in my practice. If you spend $2,000, you'll have a $4,000 credit in the practice. The maximum is going to be $5,000, and it goes in $500 increments. And there'll be actually an app that the girls who are working the event will be able to help you with. 10% of everything spent will go to charity. But as you know, this is a pretty amazing concept, and so I wanted to outline some of the stipulations. And I'm going to refer to the email that we'll be sending out, but this is going to be for procedures and surgery in the skincare practice and in my office, not product. And as it relates to procedures, if there's a surgical procedure that we use the credit for, it obviously has to be deemed appropriate, and you have to have a consult with me and my staff. As I mentioned, it's not for product, it's just for procedure and surgery. It can't be combined with another special. And as I mentioned, it's a $5,000 max, and it's non-refundable. You'll still have a credit in the practice. And the most important concept is that it's not valid for a surgery that's already been scheduled or that you've already seen me for and scheduled. And that's pretty much probably self-explanatory. I don't want patients who have had their surgery scheduled to then cancel it and then reschedule it. So this is going to be for a new surgery that has yet to be scheduled, or a new consult that has yet to be brought to the practice. And I think that's pretty much it. The email may outline a few other stipulations. It's for surgeon's fee, not for anesthesia and OR. But I wanted to bring those to your attention in the video today. But I think it's a pretty exciting concept to be able to basically double the amount of spend that you have in the practice. And for those of you that already come to the practice and come to skincare on a regular basis, I think it's a way to double up on services, and we're excited to be able to give 10% of that to that charity. So without any further ado, you look forward to that email, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday, November 14th at the Princess Resort at 6 o'clock. Should be a great event. We're looking forward to seeing you. Have a great day.